KYStats is not unlike a library, full of information and resources. You can use the KYStats website to find the information you're looking for quickly and easily. In addition to the dozens of reports published annually, KYStats makes it easy to request data from the Kentucky Longitudinal Data System and Labor Market Information Library. To request data, go to kystats.ky.gov. Click on the Request Data option. You can request two different types of data from KYStats: aggregate level data and individual level data. Let's take a closer look at each type of request. Aggregate level data is a summary of different subgroups of data. You can request aggregate level data across data categories of K-12 students, K-12 staff, financial aid, teacher certification and licensure, post-secondary education, employment and earnings, and labor market information. You can also filter aggregate level data by school, institution, county, local workforce area, region, and state. Here's an example of the output from an aggregate level data request. No data sharing agreement is needed for aggregate level data requests. Typically, KYStats will deliver these results in under 3 weeks. Occasionally, statistical analysis may require individual level data for analyzing trends amongst different groups and localities. Let's take a deeper look at this type of request. KYStats takes careful steps to de-identify individual level data. All personally identifiable information, or PII, is removed. PII includes things such as names, social security numbers, and birth dates. Individual level data can provide information about where an individual attended college, courses in which they were enrolled, and the degree they earned. Here's an example of the output from an individual level data request. In order to receive individual level data, requesters must complete a data sharing agreement. A data sharing agreement will ensure data security and privacy in accordance with state and federal laws, such as FERPA. KYStats will initiate the data sharing agreement after the data request form is completed. An individual level data request and agreement could take up to 4 months to complete. Requesters can also have their own participant data matched with the KLDS to evaluate education and workforce outcomes for their own program. To request either aggregate level or individual level data, go to the Request Data webpage and click on either the Individual Level Data Request or the Aggregate Level Data Request buttons and complete the form. Also available on the Request Data page is the Data Dictionary Excel file. This file provides a comprehensive list of data elements, along with detailed descriptions and a range of years for which they are available. Requesters can utilize the Data Dictionary to identify which data elements are necessary to answer their particular research questions. Besides facilitating data requests, KYStats also publishes Excel data for their reports. To access these files, click on the Reports page. Click on the Public Access Data File button to download the Excel file for a report. Here are a few of the public access data files that are available. You can also view the latest reports on this page. Here are a few of the reports that are available. Collecting longitudinal data across multiple agencies is difficult. Requesting this data, once it's collected, shouldn't be. KYStats makes it easy to find the data you need. Whether it's a published report, public access file, or data request, KYStats will help you get the information you need in order to make informed decisions. For more information on requesting data from KYStats, please visit kystats.ky.gov.